Hey everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors with Michelle, and we are in Foxwoods, and guess what? Juniors is open. Last time we were here back in June, that was still closed. And a lot of things are back in operation. Big difference over a 1 month period, how things have opened up even more. Last time we were here, this place was almost like not even filled with slot machines. Now there's more slot machines, more people, more everything. Pretty cool. We are going to Jackson Browne, so that is where we're headed, to the Fox Theater. So that's going to be pretty sweet. Michelle, we went here last June, end of June 2021, expecting to see Jackson Browne, and they canceled the concert, and they have rescheduled it for today. And it is still a go, so that is why we are back at Foxwoods for Jackson Browne. Okay, Michelle is getting her ticket over there, and then that's the new Premier Theater in the Fox Tower district. And I think they're going to make everybody wear a mask even if you are vaccinated. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we got our Jackson Browne tickets, waiting in line. We are middle center in the orchestra section, believe it or not. These were $85 a piece. And Michelle, are you excited?
Yeah.
She's excited. Oh yeah. The guy at the counter was very helpful, helping us get a ticket for this concert. Came a long way to see Jackson Browne, so we're pretty excited. Okay, so what did you think of Jackson Browne here, Michelle?
Oh my God, I'm not running on empty. I'm running on high octane now.
He was awesome.
Oh
yeah.
Thank you so much. Look
at how many people were here. This was awesome. Jackson Browne. Thanks again, everyone, for watching The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it for you.
Absolutely. Foxwoods World.
We are no longer running on empty now.
Yeah!
Another good hit with the Buffalo. Good job.
From heaven.
She's on a roll.